What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Goomba Cat from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top. I'm going to bring this all the way down towards the bottom of the eye and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the top. I want to bring that down toward the same height and then back up. Now I'm going to push the pupils towards the inside of the eyes. Starting from the left side, let's draw a small oval going up, down, and then back in. And we'll line that up on the right side. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil. And then we'll fill the bottom in black. Now just up above the eyes, let's add in the eyebrows. We're going to start on the inside edge of the left eye, go up, and then bend that down. Let's go and do the same thing on the right side. Let's go back to the left side. We want to go a little higher in the middle, going up to the top point, and then bring that back down on the inside. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left side. We're going to curve this up, just underneath the eyes, and then bend that back down towards the right. Let's round out the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then in. Let's give the bottom edge a slight bend up in the middle. So we can go up, and then gradually bend that back down. Let's add two large fangs along the bottom pointing up. So we start on the left side, bend this up and in toward the top. And then from here, bend this in and then back down. Let's add the tongue in between the fangs, starting on the left, go up, bend this down in toward the middle, go up and back down on the right. Let's add a half circle just up above the tongue for the throat, and we'll fill that area in black. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move up to the top and draw the top edge of the head. Starting on the inside edge of the left brow, curve this up in the middle, and then bring that back down. Now you want to continue this curve underneath the left brow, going out and then down towards the side of the head. Let's go over towards the right, underneath the brow, going out, and we'll bend that down. Let's round out the bottom corner of the head, coming around and just in underneath the mouth. And just like we did with the mouth, we want to give a slight bend up in the middle. So we're going to go up, across, and then back down. Let's add a seam on the side of the mouth. Starting on the left, bend this out, and then down. Let's add a couple thick stripes on each side. Starting on the left, bend this down and in towards the mouth. I'm just going to round this out and pull that back out towards the side. Let's line this up on the right. Coming down and in, rounding out the inside, and then go back out. Now we're going to leave a small gap and draw it one more time. Coming in, round this out, and go back out. Now I want to stick the ears along the top of the head. Let's start on the left side, just up above the eyebrow, bend the ear going up, and then out. Line this up on the right, going up and out. Let's round out the tip of the ear, come down, and just bend that in towards the side of the head. Let's add a fold along the top of the ear, starting from this curve. We're going to taper this in and then down in behind the eyebrows. Now Now I want to trace this intersection of the ear along the inside. So along the bottom, just follow that curve going up, and at the top, and just pull that back in behind the eyebrow, and just continue along the inside. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the feet. Let's start in the center page with the left heel. Starting down here, bend this up. I want to go in towards the head, bend that out. Now let's curl around the first toe, going around and back in. Let's stack 2 more toes along the side. Starting from the top, and go around, and just tuck that in underneath. Move out to the side and do that one more time. Now I'm going to go back to the heel and round this out and just pull that back up underneath the bottom toe. Going around and just pull that up. Let's draw an oval along the pad of the foot. Coming in an angle and then back up. Now with the foot in place, let's move over and draw on the body. We're going to start on the right side, curve the body going around, down, and then in behind the foot. Let's add that patch in the center of the body, starting up here, curve around, and then again in behind the foot. Now we see the top of the right foot along the side. So let's start underneath the body, curve the foot coming down, and then round out the first toe, and then hook that back in. Let's layer 2 more toes going up in an angle. Starting out here, curve out, and then in, step up, the last toe going around and then in towards the body. Now let's bring the tail out from the right side. Starting from the side of the body, bend this out and then up. Round out the tail, bend this in, and just follow that same curve coming back in behind the side of the foot. Let's finish off by separating the end of the tail with a curve, starting from the top. And we'll sign our artwork and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Goomba Cat from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.